answer and improve your exam performance. 1. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO? A. Pune. B. Bangalore. C. Lucknow. D. Mumbai. Answer. B. Bangalore. 2. When was ISRO formed? A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 15th of August 1952. C. The 15th of August 1969. D. The 15th of August 1967. Answer. C. The 15th of August 1969. 3. What is the full form of SDSC? A. Satish Development Space Center. B. Scientific Development Space Center. C. Satish Dhawan Space Center. D. Static Development Space Center. Answer. C. Satish Dhawan Space Center. 4. Who is the owner of the Indian Space Research Organization? A. Department of Space. B. Department of State. C. Distributed Operating Space. D. Dr. Sabekate. Answer. A. Department of Space. Explanation. The Department of Space (DOS) is a department of the Indian government that is responsible for the administration of the space programs in India. 5. Which satellite is responsible for communication, meteorological services, and television broadcasting in India? A. IRS. B. INSATTP. C. Input. D. INSAT. Answer. D. INSAT, Indian National Satellite. 6. Which satellite is used for resources monitoring and management by ISRO? A. IRIS. B. INSAT. C. IRS. D. IS. Answer. C. IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellites. 7. What is the full form of PSLV? A. Public Satellite Launch Vehicle. B. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. C. Polar Service Launch Vehicle. D. Public Service Launch Vehicle. Answer. B. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. 8. When was the first rocket launched from India? A. The 21st of December 1963. B. The 21st of October 1963. C. The 21st of November 1964. D. The 21st of November 1963. Answer. D. The 21st of November 1963. Sounding rocket launched from Tumba, Kerala. 9. What was ISRO known before 1969? A. INCOSPAR. B. Across. C. DE. D. INSA. Answer. A. INCOSPAR, Indian National Committee for Space Research, a national space program. 10. Where is the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS? A. Hyderabad. B. Dehradun. C. Ahmedabad. D. Sriharikota. Answer. B. Dehradun. 11. What is the full form of GSLV? A. Global Satellite Launch Vehicle. B. Geosynchronous Service Launch Vehicle. C. Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. D. Geosatellite Launch Vehicle. Answer. C. Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. 12. Who is the father of the Indian space program? A. C.V. Raman. B. Vikram Sarabhai. C. M.G.K. Menon. D. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Answer. B. Vikram Sarabhai. 13. A material is dimensionally stable at room temperature if its glass transition temperature Tg is A. Below room temperature. B. Well above room temperature. C. Just above temperature. D. Equal to room temperature. Answer. B. Well above room temperature. 14. When was Chandrayaan-1 launched? A. The 22nd of October 2018. B. The 22nd of October 2006. C. The 22nd of October 2008. D. The 22nd of October 2010. Answer. C. The 22nd of October 2008. 15. When was Chandrayaan-2 launched? A. The 22nd of July 2018. B. The 22nd of July 2019. C. The 22nd of July 2020. D. The 22nd of July 2015. Answer. B. The 22nd of July 2019. 16. Where was Chandrayaan-2 launched? A. ISRO Satellite Center. B. Satish Dhawan Space Center First Launchpad. C. Satish Dhawan Space Center Second Launchpad. D. Laboratory for Electro-Optics Systems. Answer. C. Satish Dhawan Space Center Second Launchpad Sriharikota. 17. Who was elected as the chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization on the 15th of January 2018? A. Shailesh Nayak. B. K. Sivan. C. A. S. Kiran Kumar. D. K. Radhakrishnan. Answer. B. K. Sivan. 18. Name the first satellite built by India. A. Rohini-1 rupees. B. Aryabhata. C. Chandrayaan-1. D. SPADEX. Answer. B. Aryabhata. 19. Which satellite made India the first nation to succeed on its maiden attempt to Mars? A. Rohini. B. Aryabhatta. C. Mangalyaan. D. Chandrayaan-1. Answer. C. Mangalyaan, also known as MANGALYAAN-1. 20. Who was the first chairman of the Indian National Committee for Space Research INCOSPAR? A. Vikram Sarabhai. B. M.G.K. Menon. C. Satish Dhawan. D. K. Sivan. Answer. A. Vikram Sarabhai. Related, general knowledge about India with 30 plus topics. 21. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Satyendra Nath Bose. B. Vikram Sarabhai. C. C.V. Raman. D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer. D. APJ Abdul Kalam. 22. Which missile was developed under APJ Abdul Kalam's guidance? A. K-15. B. MPATGM. C. Prithvi. D. Surya. Answer. C. Prithvi. 23. Which is the first successful nuclear bomb test by India on the 18th of May 1974? A. Pokhran 2. B. Smiling Buddha. C. Angry Bird. D. PTR. Answer. B. Smiling Buddha. 24. When was the Indian National Committee for Space Research INCOSPAR set up? A. 1962. B. 1965. C. 1947. D. 1947. Answer. A. 1962. 25. What is the name of the Indian Space University? A. Physical Research Laboratory PRL. B. Indian Institute of Science IISc. C. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS. D. Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology East. Answer. D. Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology East. 26. Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? A. Ahmedabad. B. Chandigarh. C. Tiruvananthapuram. D. Mohali. Answer. C. Tiruvananthapuram. 27. Which satellite is used by Tata Sky? A. CARTOSAT-1. B. INSAT-4CR. C. INSAT-99. D. INSAT-4A. Answer. D. INSAT-4A. 28. Which series of Indian satellites are decommissioned? A. ASLV. B. PSLV. C. GSLV. D. GSLV Mk3. Answer. A. ASLV Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. 29. How many polar satellite launch vehicles PSLV failed during the 1990s? A. 4. B. 3. C. 0. D. 1. Answer. D. 1. 3 success, 1 partial success, 1 failure. 30. When did MANGALYAAN-1 enter the Mars orbit? A. The 24th of September 2019. B. The 24th of September 2014. C. The 24th of September 2008. D. The 24th of September 2018. Answer. B. The 24th of September 2014. Related, time and distance multiple. 31. Which is the 23rd geostationary communication satellite of India that is intended to extend C and Q band transponders? A. GSAT-3. B. GSAT-D5. C. GSAT-15. D. GSAT-14. Answer. D. GSAT-14, the 5th of January 2014. 32. How many geosynchronous satellite launch vehicles GSLV failed during the 2010s? A. 1. B. 3. C. 2. D. 0. Answer. C. 2. 6 success, 2 failed. 33. Which type of Indian satellites did not fail even once? A. PSLV. B. GSLV Mk3. C. GSLV Mkv. D. GSLV Mkv. Answer. B. GSLV Mk3. 34. Which satellite is used by Doordarshan for providing television services all over India? A. GSAT. B. INSAT. C. IRNSS. D. Cartosat. Answer. B. INSAT. 35. How many radar imaging satellites RISAT does ISRO currently operate? A. 2. B. 1. C. 4. D. 3. Answer. C. 4. List of radar imaging satellites. 1. RISAT-1, the 26th of April 2012. 2. RISAT-2, the 20th of April 2009. 3. RISAT-2B, the 22nd of May 2019. 4. RISAT-2BR1, the 11th of December 2019. 36. Which was the first satellite of the RISAT series to reach orbit? A. RISAT-2B. B. RISAT-3. C. RISAT-2. D. RISAT-1. Answer. C. RISAT-2, April 20, 2009. 37. Which was the first dedicated meteorological satellite launched by ISRO using the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle on the 12th of September 2002? A. Kalpana 1. B. ARYABHATTA-1. C. Kalpana 2. D. Aryabhatta-2. Answer. A. Kalpana 1. 38. Who renamed Metsat-1 to Kalpana 1 on the 1st of February 2003? A. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. C. Narendra Modi. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer. B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 39. Which is the first navigation satellite of India? A. IRNSS-3A. B. IRNSS-2A. C. IRNSS-1A. D. IRNSS-7A. Answer. C. IRNSS-1A, the 1st of July 2013. 40. How many Indian regional navigation satellite system was launched to complete India's own navigation system? A. 7. B. 4. C. 5. D. 2. Answer. A. 7. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System with launch date. 1. IRNSS-1A, the 1st of July 2013. 2. IRNSS-1B, the 4th of April 2014. 3. IRNSS-1C, the 16th of October 2014. 4. IRNSS-1D, the 28th of March 2015. 5. IRNSS-1E, the 20th of January 2016. 6. IRNSS-1F, the 10th of March 2016. 7. IRNSS-1G, the 28th of April 2016. Related, list of top 50. 41. Out of the 7 active Indian regional navigation satellite systems, how many are in geostationary orbit (GEO) and inclined geosynchronous orbit (IGSO)? A. 4 GEO, 3 IGSO. B. 3 GEO, 4 IGSO. C. 2 GEO, 5 IGSO. D. 5 GEO, 2 IGSO. Answer. B. 3 GEO, 4 IGSO. 42. Which spacecraft was mentioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 15th of August 2018 that will send astronauts into space? A. Astrosat. B. Chandrayaan-V. C. Gaganyaan. D. Pragyan. Answer. C. Gaganyaan. 43. What was the mission of Chandrayaan-1? A. Satellite navigation and GPS. B. Remote sensing and planetary science. C. Observation satellite. D. Atmospheric and space sciences. Answer. B. Remote sensing and planetary science. 44. Who was the project director of the Chandrayaan-1? A. Shailesh Nayak. B. R. Hutton. C. K. Sivan. D. M. Annadurai. Answer. D. M. Annadurai Milswamy Annadurai. 45. When was the Department of Space DOS established? A. 1971. B. 1972. C. 1947. D. 1999. Answer. B. 1972. 46. Which are the 2 satellite launch vehicles developed by Isro? A. IRAS and PSLV. B. INSAT and IRAS. C. PSLV and GSLV. D. GSLV and IRAS. Answer. C. PSLV and GSLV. 47. Where are Indian satellites manufactured? A. Laboratory for Electro-Optics Systems (LEOS). B. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center (VSSC). C. Space Applications Center (SAC). D. ISRO Satellite Center (ISIC). Answer. D. ISRO Satellite Center (ISIC) in Bengaluru. 48. How many scientific instruments did Chandrayaan-1 carry on board? A. 11. B. 12. C. 10. D. 5. Answer. A. 11. These 11 scientific instruments were built in India, the USA, UK, Germany, Sweden, and Bulgaria. 49. Where was Chandrayaan-1 launched? A. Ahmedabad. B. Gadanki. C. Sriharikota. D. Umiam. Answer. C. Sriharikota. 50. Which is the first Indian multi-wavelength space telescope? A. XPOST. B. Astrosat. C. GSLV Mk3. D. XLC33. Answer. B. Astrosat. Related, list of all social networking sites and their founders. 51. What was UR Rao Satellite Center, URSC, formerly known? A. Master Control Facility, MCF. B. ISRO Satellite Center, ISIC. C. Liquid Propulsion Systems Center, LPSC. D. New Space India Limited, NSIL. Answer. B. ISRO Satellite Center, ISIC. 52. When did UR Rao Satellite Center, URSC, launch its 100th satellite? A. The 12th of January 2018. B. The 12th of January 2019. C. The 12th of January 2020. D. The 12th of January 2017. Answer. A. The 12th of January 2018. 53. Where are the rockets and launch vehicles made in India? A. Space Applications Center (SAC). B. Master Control Facility (MCF). C. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center (VSSC). D. Semiconductor Laboratory (SCL). Answer. C. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center (VSSC). 54. From where are the sounding rockets launched in India? A. ISRO Satellite Center. B. Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. C. National Remote Sensing Center. D. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. Answer. B. Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. 55. What is RH on an Indian sounding rocket? A. Rhodium. B. Relative humidity. C. Rohini. D. Red Hat. Answer. C. Rohini. 56. Which rocket was launched on the 21st of November 1963 in India? A. Scramjet. B. Nike Apache. C. Bahubali. D. XUV. Answer. B. Nike Apache. 57. Which is the first indigenous sounding rocket launched in India? A. RH-125. B. RH-100. C. RH-95. D. RH-75. Answer. D. RH-75. 58. Where did the space program begin in India? A. National Remote Sensing Center. B. Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. C. ISRO Satellite Center. D. Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center. Answer. B. Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. 59. Why was Tumba Rocket Station selected as a rocket launching station? A. Equator. B. Geomagnetic equator. C. Tropic of Cancer. D. Tropic of Capricorn. Answer. B. Geomagnetic equator. 60. Which rockets are known as research rocket? A. Solid fuel rocket. B. Liquid fuel rocket. C. Plasma rocket. D. Sounding rocket. Answer. D. Sounding rocket. Related 100 facts about Elon Musk you never. 61. Which space center was renamed after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai? A. Sarabhai Dhawan Space Center SDSC. B. Sarabhai Space Center SSC. C. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC. D. Vikram Sensing Space Center VSSC. Answer. C. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center VSSC. 62. How many centers of ISRO are in Bengaluru? A. 12. B. 13. C. 15. D. 21. Answer. B. 13. 63. Which is the only Indian island where ISRO has set up a space center? A. Diu Island. B. Andaman. C. Port Blair. D. Great Nicobar. Answer. C. Port Blair. 64. Where is the National Remote Sensing Center NRSC? A. Ahmedabad. B. Sriharikota. C. Hyderabad. D. Tiruvananthapuram. Answer. C. Hyderabad. 65. Which is the first launch vehicle of India? A. SLV-2. B. SLV-3. C. SLV-1. D. SLV-99. Answer. B. SLV-3 Satellite Launch Vehicle 3. 66. Where are communication satellites placed? A. Low Earth orbit. B. Medium Earth orbit. C. Polar orbit. D. Geostationary orbit. Answer. D. Geostationary orbit. 67. Where are remote sensing satellites placed? A. Low Earth orbit. B. Sun synchronous polar orbit. C. Geostationary transfer orbit. D. Lagrange points. Answer. B. Sun synchronous polar orbit SSPO. 68. Where was the first Indian satellite Aryabhata launched? A. United States. B. Russia. C. Soviet Union. D. India. Answer. C. Soviet Union, the 19th of April 1975. 69. Which is the first operational launch vehicle of India? A. ASLV. B. PSLV. C. SLV-3. D. GSLV. Answer. B. PSLV. 70. What does YAN mean in Chandrayaan? A. Rocket. B. Moon. C. Vehicle. D. Space. Answer. C. Vehicle. Related MCQ questions on volume and surface area of solids. 71. How many days was Chandrayaan 1 operational? A. 365 days. B. 312 days. C. 730 days. D. 291 days. Answer. B. 312 days. 72. How many scientific instruments were from NASA on Chandrayaan 1? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. D. 6. Answer. A. 2. 73. What is the temperature of the moon at night? A. Minus 967 degrees Celsius. B. Minus 173 degrees Celsius. C. 173 C. D. 68 degrees Celsius. Answer. B. Minus 173 degrees Celsius. It varies from minus 173 degrees Celsius to minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. 74. Which is the heaviest satellite built by India? A. INSAT-4 CR. B. INSAT-4 Drive. C. GSAT-11. D. GSAT-30. Answer. C. GSAT-11 5,854 kilograms launched on the 4th of December 2018. 75. Which mission is related to Mangalyaan? A. Mako. B. Phoenix. C. Mars Orbiter Mission. D. Mars Express. Answer. C. Mars Orbiter Mission. 76. In which year will MANGALYAAN-2 be launched by ISRO? A. 2034. B. 2029. C. 2023. D. 2024. Answer. D. 2024. 77. Who is one of the responsible persons for the Department of Space DOS? A. The President of India. B. The Prime Minister of India. C. Minister of Technical. D. The Vice President of India. Answer. B. The Prime Minister of India. 78. Which mission was launched by ISRO using a modified version of the PSLV on the 22nd of October 2008? A. MANGALYAAN-1. B. MANGALYAAN-2. C. Chandrayaan-1. D. Chandrayaan-2. Answer. C. Chandrayaan-1. 79. Which is the first country to enter Mars orbit on its first attempt? A. USA. B. Russia. C. India. D. Kazakhstan. Answer. C. India. 80. Which spacecraft is developed by ISRO to study the Sun? A. SHUKRAYAAN-1. B. Aditya L1. C. Aditya L2. D. Mangalyaan 3. Answer. B. Aditya L1. Related, list of top websites on the internet and their founders. 81. Which space technology incubation center is serving the East region? A. National Institute of Technology, Silchar. B. National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya. C. National Institute of Technology, Mizoram. D. National Institute of Technology, Agartala. Answer. D. National Institute of Technology, Agartala. 82. Who promotes products, services, and technology developed by ISRO? A. HRD. B. Antri. C. NSIL. D. SLV. Answer. B. Antri. 83. Which spacecraft is developed by ISRO for a mission to Venus? A. VENUSAYAAN-1. B. Venusian. C. Shukrayan-1. D. TBD. Answer. C. Shukrayan-1. 84. Which satellite is used by the Indian military as a communication satellite? A. SAT-1. B. GSAT-7A. C. SCAT. D. IRNSS-1H. Answer. B. GSAT-7A. 85. What is the full form of site that was used for conducting large-scale video broadcasting? A. System Instructional Television Experiment. B. Signal Integrity Television Experiment. C. Sinhalese Instructional Television Experiment. D. Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. Answer. D. Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. 86. What is the full form of Apple, which was an experimental communication satellite launched by the ISRO on the 19th of June 1981? A. Apple Puget Sound Program Library Exchange. B. Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. C. Ariane Passenger Program Load Experiment. D. Ariane Passenger Payload Exchange. Answer. B. Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. 87. What is the total number of foreign satellites launched by ISRO as of the 4th of December 2019? A. 319. B. 699. C. 90. D. 569. Answer. A. 319. 33 countries. 88. How many stages are there in geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle? A. 2. B. 3. C. 5. D. 1. Answer. B. 3. 89. Which is the latest PSLV launched by ISRO? A. PSLV C-44. B. PSLV C-46. C. PSLV C-48. D. PSLV C-42. Answer. C. PSLV C-48. December 11, 2019. 90. When was the first polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV launched? A. 2018. B. 1993. C. 1997. D. 2004. Answer. B. 1993. PSLV-D1 was the first PSLV that was an unsuccessful mission launched on September 20, 1993. 91. Where is Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station situated? A. Port Blair. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer. C. Kerala. 92. Which fuel is used in the second stage of GSLV-GS2? A. LOX plus LH2. B. N2O4 plus UDMH. C. HTPB. D. N2O4 plus LH2. Answer. B. N2O4 plus UDMH. 93. Which is the first satellite exclusively used for educational sector? A. GSAT-69. B. GSAT-5. C. GSAT-2. D. GSAT-3. Answer. D. GSAT-3. 94. Which is the first Indian remote sensing satellite? A. IRS-1A. B. IRS-2A. C. IRS-4A. D. IRS-3A. Answer. A. IRS-1A. 95. Who established the Indian National Committee for Space Research INCOSPAR? A. C.V. Raman. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Meghnad Saha. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer. B. Jawaharlal Nehru INCOSPAR was established under the Department of Atomic Energy Day in 1962. 96. Name the Indian operation where an anti-satellite weapon was tested that made India the fourth country after the US, Russia, and China. A. Mission Gaganyaan. B. Mission D6. C. Mission Shakti. D. Mission Tiger. Answer. C. Mission Shakti, the 27th of March 2019. 97. When was the ISRO logo adopted? A. 2001. B. 2002. C. 2005. D. 2009. Answer. B. 2002. 98. Who was the first Indian to go to space? A. Ravish Malhotra. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Rakesh Sharma. D. Rakesh Malhotra. Answer. C. Rakesh Sharma. 99. Which is the first Indian cartography satellite? A. Shah. B. CARTOSAT-1. C. ArcGIS Pro. D. Cartosat-2B. Answer. B. CARTOSAT-1 used for studying and making maps. 100. Which is the first Indian communication satellite? A. Aryabhatta. B. Bhaskara Sega I. C. Apple. D. Rohini -1 rupees. Answer. C. Apple Ariane passenger payload experiment. Read more. Maths